What is up, YouTube? This is Chase Bristow, the Gay Nomad. How is everybody doing tonight? Are you all hungry? I know I am. And in light of the fact that I'm hungry, I gotta eat. I got to watch my Desperate Housewives and see what Eva Longoria is up to. I'm going to be teaching you how you can also make spaghetti in a Keurig. Who knew? Let's get cracking. First, you're gonna need egg noodles. That's the best kind, the best way to go. If you ain't got your ramen, you gotta get your egg noodles up in this biatch. So, you have your bowl. Fill it about, I don't know, maybe halfway. Because you're gonna need to cover it with water. You're gonna need to drown those biatches. So, then you're gonna need to go to your Keurig, which is right there behind me. Get this Golden Girls teacup out of the way for a moment. And I'm going to need to refill it with water. Now, this water I got from the park down the street. Why? Because I ain't got no plumbing. Not yet, anyway. That's another work in progress I gotta do. So, here we go. Fill that up because it is one thirsty motherfucker. Put that lid back on. Just like I always tell my mother, put a lid on it. And now, we're going to give it the old 10 ounces. Lift that up. As you can see, no K-cups in here. So no K-cups were harmed during the making of this YouTube video. Just a bunch of noodles that are going to be drowning in boiling hot water. Boy, the noodles have something in common with me now. They in hot water. Here we go. The best thing to do now is rotate the bowl. Rotate it. So that way the noodles can get the maximum heat level. Put those noodles on the hot seat, like I always say. Now my noodles are going to be sweet because I just used this bowl for cereal. And I put an obscene level of sugar in the cereal every time. So there was an entire box going through here, and, well, I'm going to have sweet-ass pasta. Which I do not mind you. And, while that's happening, I'm going to sit down. Because these old bones are tired right here. Ooh. And say hello to my canine friend, Scruffy. He's an animatronic. I rescued him. He's a canine crooner. He has a little try-me button, but the batteries are dead. And so here we have the noodles heating up. So we're going to let them sit there for a while in the hot water. And while they're sitting there, what we're going to do, you can use your Prego, you can use Ragu, but for me, I'm on a budget, so I got to use, this Furman's, whatever this is. Don't know what it is, but it's spaghetti sauce. It'll do. It'll do, that is, if I can find, oh, there it is. Can't never know. Isn't it so fetch? It matches my headband. Sorry, I saw Mean Girls a couple of days ago and trying to make fetch happen. Open this bitch up. Now, these noodles ain't done yet. What are we gonna do? We're gonna have some tea. That's what we're gonna do. Because the rest of the steps of the noodles, you just drain the juices out and pour the sauce in, and bam, you got yourself some spaghetti. Boring, same old song and dance. Sing along if you know the words, blah blah blah. So, we're gonna have ourselves some tea now. Oh, where are my tea bags? Tea bags, tea bags. Ah, there they are. Ooh, no, not on my casual elegance. Sorry, I'm a name brand kind of guy, and that's the name brand of this. I'm almost wetting my damn sauce. White and red do not mix. Sorry. I love my name brands too much to make a spaghetti suit out of them. Stick that down in there. So many things you can do with a Keurig. Oh, you know what? I forgot the damn sugar. I've already got a lot of sugar in my system, but who cares? I'm gonna get a little bit more. I got the joy down in my heart. More like the sugar down in my gut. And it's here to stay. I'll give that the old 10 ounces too. Now. See how these noodles will turn out. Just softening up. I'm gonna wind up eating these noodles like they are, damn it. They're al dente. And I think that's as good as what you're gonna get with your typical macaroni noodles or your typical noodles. The best you're gonna get with a Keurig is al dente. Crunch. A little bit of a crunch, but if you set these egg noodles in there long enough, they'll be soft as a baby's bottom. What in the actual hell? My Keurig never had that problem before. Oh well. Once I get done making my tea, then I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna drain this out, and well, I'm gonna show you how good it is. And I'm gonna watch Desperate Housewives. I'm on season 4. I'm about to watch the tornado episode. Now that's my favorite episode. It's called Something's Coming. And something does come. A tornado to Wisteria Lane. And I freaking love that episode. It just shows you, it goes to show you how a community of people and faced with disaster can all come together and be humble human beings and put away their differences for a while and show compassion and caringness. And that's what the world needs any God-given day. People who care. What the hell? Look at what the can opener did this shit. God damn it. I've been laughing so hard I drooled. Fuck. You know, this is totally giving me Don Pepino vibes. And that is my favorite sauce, by the way. If anyone wants to know what my absolute favorite sauce is, it's Don Pepino pizza sauce. Oh my god. You guys need to get Don Pepino up in this bitch. Don Pepino. Mm. Mm. I thought this was a fucking tea. God damn it. There's my teacup. Mm. Hot as a motherfucker. Damn. Alright. Shit. Now that I went outside and drained my noodles and burnt my tongue and drank my pasta sauce, well, here it goes. And I have enough left in here for another bowl, too. So, there's that. And now we're going to mix the spaghetti up. It's a little watery, but until I get a pot and pan set in here, this is how I'm going to do it. And there's my spaghetti from a Keurig. Mmm. So delicious. I think I have another bite. Now, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and as always, stay golden. Bye. Get out of my kitchen, bitch. I'm about to watch some Desperate Housewives up in here.